10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
Very quiet night to start the work week for many of us. Yeah, a few thunderstorms are out there, but our risk of severe tonight is extremely small. So
good.
Here is what we are looking at outdoors tonight. If you saw the sunset with the clouds mingling together, beautiful colors out there, and some nice high clouds drifting over the FM area, a result of the thunderstorm development out to the far west of us. Right now, 68 degrees at Hector. We have a southeast wind only at 7 miles per hour. Dew points still up there pretty high. In Grand Forks, 68 degrees, 62 is your current dew point, so that's going to limit our cooling. It's going to be slow through the overnight hours. Here's a look at temperatures region-wide. We have 60 Bemidji, 63 in Detroit Lakes. Out to the west, a mild 72 in Devil's Lake, with Langdon much cooler at 63 degrees. Sisseton right now, you have 66. Here is a look at that radar, and along the international border, we have thunderstorms that have been fairly strong throughout the evening hours, but they really have not produced much in the way of severe weather. The main threat's going to be some brief gusty winds, and as you can see here, a little bit of lightning moving through the Cavalier County area, heading into western Walsh and northern Ramsey County. Thunderstorms out in the central Dakotas really dissipated as we headed through the evening hours. Here's the leading edge of the activity. It's moving south and east at around 20 miles per hour as it moves into northwestern portions of Walsh County. Hail risk, not too dramatic as we take a look out there. These little purple colors you see here generally showing pea-size potential for hail. So mainly that heavy rain, the lightning, and some gusts could approach that 40-mile-per-hour range, and we are expecting this line of storms to be on its way towards Edinburgh by 10:36 and Crary by 10:54. So prepare for some brief thunder shower activity along the northern tier of counties. Northwest Minnesota may see some dangle out of southern Canada, and also South Dakota seeing some windy thunderstorms move through. Again, nationally, we have fairly quiet weather through the Central Plains states. Rocky Mountains have hit and miss showers and storms, while some of the stronger activity out towards Indianapolis for today. Here's your overnight forecast, and it does show this band of showers kind of progressing through northeast North Dakota and persisting. Again, not expecting severe, but some thunderstorm and heavy rain making its way through. Temperatures pretty steady, then slowly falling as we go through the overnight hours. We may see showers and storms moving into the Grand Forks area as we go through the overnight hours, but it does look like most of our southern counties will stay quiet. We can't rule out an isolated thunder shower for the overnight. And again, garden variety, good for the lawns. And as we take a look at our start your day temperatures, low 60s out there. Wind generally from the west or northwest throughout the day, rising through the 70s. And by midday, a chance for some afternoon redeveloping thunderstorms, mainly off to the east. So we can't rule them out as we enjoy high temperatures in the 80s for many south and west. Here's a look at your Fargo planner. Low to mid 60s to start your day. Winds variable, fairly light, and low 80s for your afternoon temperature. A lot of low 80s and upper 70s with spotty thunder shower activity for your afternoon. Look at this gorgeous shot. This was actually at Jewett Lake in Otter Tail County. Mike uploading this beautiful shot there. And a very quiet day of weather is expected on a warm Wednesday. We stay warm through Thursday, but Thursday brings the risk of a few strong thunderstorms. Some may even be severe. And then look at the cool air behind this weather maker as we're talking lows in the 40s and 50s and highs in the 60s and 70s. A little bit of refreshing air on the way to the valley.
That's crack your window open at night weather.
It sure is.
Thanks, Ed. The Olympics are a big deal. People are taking every opportunity to watch them, even when they're supposed to be working. It's coming up a little later on Valley News Live.
Up next, meet a mom who hopes her smooth moves on the water at 40 weeks pregnant will empower other women.